Okay, now welcome again to another episode of NPFL Tatafo with Football Republic. The CARICOM give you on top YouTube and other streaming platforms. My name is Sawadino, and of course, my G, they here with me. Timmy, they here with me once again. All right, now Christmas season now with this, so. Yeah, we don't see match day 1 and 2. But we could just come up from the regular. We could come up from the results and all of that. We could talk about what we don't see so far. The new course for the LMC. The new man we're in charge now, Davidson Owumi. A man we don't get experience to the managed club sides like Rangers and Warri Wolves. And of course, him no be new man to Nigerian football, whether you call him the Nigerian Premier League or you call him the Nigerian Professional Football League. In take over from Nduka Irabor as the Chief Executive Officer of the League Management Company. And a lot of people don't get so many expectations on waiting Davidson Owumi go feed achieve. So for this episode of NPFL Tatafo, we're going to look at those expectations and the possible limitations, the possible challenges with Davidson Owumi feed face. The people who were there with me last week, now they're still there with me this week. I get Timmy and of course Fisayo go join us as well. Timmy, welcome once again.
Thank you, Sawa. I am happy to join you again for NPFL Tatafo. This now a league, Sawa. We know if you run away from him.
Exactly.
We guys talk about him.
Yeah.
And it good say at least we talk about the orgasm today.
Yeah.
The man we go be in charge for the next maybe 4 years or thereabout.
Yeah.
So now something we say I happy say I want to talk about, and something we say at least I know the man small. Not because I know him personally, but in track record, if you follow him well from Warri Wolves to Rangers, in fact from Rangers to Warri Wolves back to Rangers, you go not say this person, a person will say, more could they hope say the things they want to do for these clubs, in go fit carry that experience, that savviness, you fit carry and put for LMC because, like I'm or not, LMC need people like this. Where we say understand the club, understand how the clubs them they run, so that they go feel run the overall body where they govern the whole league itself. So for me, experience from this man and also in knowledge for the terrain, fantastic. Two marriage will make sense.
Fantastic. Davidson Owumi also get brilliant footballing career himself as a professional footballer. On that note, we say welcome again to the chief football writer himself, Fisayo Dairo, where they join us once again this week for NPFL Tatafo. Now Davidson Owumi people with this. Fisayo, by the way, you've been enjoying very good relationship with Nduka Irabor, the immediate past CEO of the League Management Company. I think that through him, him bring you into LMC, if I'm not mistaken, and you've been getting fantastic relationship. I not say you go miss Irabor, but Davidson Owumi era don't begin now. First of all, greet us and then straight up into the matter.
Thank you for bringing me on the show again. It always suits my belly to join you, Timmy, for anything Nigeria football, more so NPFL will be in our own and waiting video always chop on top. So yes, Irabor a very good person with many of us respect for Nigerian football. You don't even administer the league as the chairman of the league itself. Before you can go Rangers to the chairman of the club and then Warri Wolves. So the person where you go with the call man of many parts. So we hopeful say as all the experience where you don't gather from the pitch to the boardroom to the clubhouse to everything, and the kind of contacts where you don't get in the private world. We hope say that all these kind of things will help us to even go further and better than waiting Irabor do from 2013 to 2019 when he been there with the league.
All right, sharply now, for the expectations part, I go want make two of now the advisors right now. So, to me, I go start off with you now. If you dare opportune to talk to Davidson Owumi, by the way, very soon we will get Davidson Owumi join us for NPFL Tatafo. Fingers crossed on that one. We try to establish those links. If you be advisor now to Davidson Owumi, you don't see our league in recent years, both the glory times and the not too good times. What will be the areas where you go advise Davidson Owumi now? Say, Baba, if you touch here, we're going to compete with the best leagues in Africa and the world?
Well, first off, I want making treat the issue of the referees, their money whether they owe them, and who go they pay them.
Okay.
I think if we start from that place, we go fit the talk say okay, we go to get fair games for our match centers.
Yeah, fair officiating.
Because one of the things when we say these referees that they always complain about, now say they know they pay them their indemnities, they know they pay them their money when, as, and when due. Now the problem now say once you know pay them this their money, you go create one avenue where we say they go one can go the source for money elsewhere, in the sense that clubs go feel even want to they to them. They tell them say, come if you give you 100k, if you give you 200k, if you blow well for us. So one thing me I go want make him start to dissolve now. Make sure say the referees all the money will be seen as supposed they pay them per match, if not per match, if not per season, whatever they agree with the NRA, which be the Nigerian Referees Association, whatever they agree, make sure say now the LMC they in charge of the payment of these referees. Now the second thing we say me I go like to see now how we fit make sure say our league go back to screen, if not local screen, if not international screen, if not digital screen. As far as say we they get production for some matches, where we say we're going to see some games, some matches. We feel not even they get 3, 4, 5 games, but at least more could they get packages. So if it be highlights, goals highlights, if it be player of the match, whatever, something just to make sure say the league
different contents.
Exactly, the league come out to the world. The league people come they see them, they watch them. I like the fact say the first match of the season, MFM against Remo Stars, then show them for TV. But I go on make them do more. Not be just one match. So we don't pass the stage where we say we go just they show only one match from inside 10 games, because at a point in time where we say the other decoder, and I know them, yes, the one with the big S, when they been get rights for the league, then they go as much as showing 2-3 matches per weekend. But when that deal knock off, we no can even get at all. Last season we get MPFL TV. So what happened to the MPFL TV this season? I don't see them for that match between MFM and Remo Stars.
Moreover, people like you, me, Fisayo, now we go most likely the stream.
Exactly, they stream those things because a normal fan figure reason say, "Well, I want to stream." But if you see them for local TV, for instance, NTA, the match against MFM and Remo Stars, they show for NTA. But at least Moku get that production unit. Maybe say for inside LMC. Now them they in charge of creating this visual production for fans them to see, because once you feel they see these things, people go feel they market them. People go feel they say, okay, more put money for a year because people eyes don't they watch them. But when you don't get an avenue to put these things for TV or for where people go they watch them, then you know go feel create that avenue to make money. I guess a Bent Nigeria don't come with 250 million. But I want to see that one are just sponsorship drive. Most of the things where they drive league, where they drive any league for the world, now TV money,
broadcast rights.
You understand? So I expect say waiting I go to see for inside this new season with David to know me now how to bring back TV production and making sure say even though they show all the 10 matches, at least Moku they get highlights from these matches. Media officers them now they don't take initiative, they carry their own cameras go.
They go
they give us highlights.
They see some kind cuts.
Exactly.
Even though not professional.
Like the match where Kwara United play against who they play Dakar FC. I see there are 3 goals. You understand? So now all those kind of things, you feel they package all those kind of things they put for social media, they put for TV, they put so that at least maybe sponsors go they even they see them, people them, corporate work go they see them, they go won't even key into all those things. So for me now those 2 things, referees and also making sure that our TV goes back, it enter TV back, and the fans, the local fans, the street guy, feed they watch everything we concern MPFL for TV.
All right, with those things, we will fit market our league. But maybe we hear from Fisayo, if you get other things we want to add or you just totally concur with Timmy, your advice to Davidson Owumi now. I mean, at least if you don't get inside knowledge based on how Nduka Irabo and the rest of them take run the league. So you could don't see 1 or 2 things where you go identify, say, okay, this not, they lose here. We need to tie them at this end. We need to tie them at that end. But we hear from you, Fisayo.
Yes, I agree with everything where Timmy talk, but like our people go talk, say, soup with street, now killer. So the first thing when I think Davidson Owumi need do and do very fast for the league, now to get money for the league. Him na the CEO and nobody the chairman, nobody the CEO day. Now him go they take charge of 3 points matter. If say this club, this club, that, no play this. Like the one we talked last week about Sunshine and Wiki, that one for CEO Matasadi Abubakar. Chairman Day, maybe Shehu Diko, maybe the Oga Gugu, when they supervise everything So the most important work for her, that's Davidson Owumi as CEO, now to see how money they enter the league. Good to hear say in hand day for us as Bet Naija come into the league, but that one has still small money. The indemnities of referees, match call, match assessor delegates for a season alone is more than 200 million naira.
Wow.
So if you say Bet Naija give us 250 million, you say that way, don't chop that.
Yeah.
So not to talk of how much you pay those where they do advertisement panels for stadiums, how much they pay vendors, staff, here and there. So
match delegates.
More money. So now I believe a person like Davidson Owumi, when he gets that kind of experience, him being in charge of this league sometimes around 2009, you know, making contacts, he get contacts from some telecommunication firm, with some betting firm, with some viewing firms. So what the league needs when they don't lack. If you notice now, like 3 years now, we never pay 1 naira as title sponsorship for clubs.
Yeah.
So now these kind of small things. If the club don't say they get money when they come from the league, and you won't misbehave for your stadium, and you know say club go find the league go find you 1 million or 2 million out of that money where they won't give you, when you know say surely the money they come.
Yeah.
You go behave, you go tell your fans, you go tell them to put their hand inside their shokoto. So now as the team be the most important advice I will tell them, say, okay, use all those contacts when you get. As you did just last year, 2 years ago, you bring insurance for them. If you bring that insurance too for players, for the league as well. Now these kind of small things, as they talk now, literally to water and this they form
Ocean.
All those Elegushi Beach.
Yeah,
you know? So this kind of thing, now the thing we talk, we say bring money, use your contact, use your resources, use everything when you get for your power to bring more money to the league, so that this league at least go fit compete for Africa, even if not be for the rest of the world.
Okay, of course, with money, will fit come every other thing, you know, where the guys don't talk, to get our games back on TV, referee indemnities, and sponsorship. We don't see the partnership of some brewery companies with some southeastern teams.
Yeah.
You know, and those are some of the kind of partnerships we would like to see. You know, all these shirt sponsorship, club sponsorships, and all of that. Different sectors. You know, those now some of the things where the guys also say that they expect Davidson Owumi to do. Referee indemnities, ensure say those ones they on point so that we'll see fair officiating, bring our game back on screen. In fact, bring money into the league. Well, every environment getting own challenges. We fit serve as a limitation to anything we don't plan put for ground. But we start off with you, Fisayo. What do you feel say go fit be the major challenges to where Davidson Owumi fit get? You know, I think they start off now with all the major challenges we fit face to implement all these things we they talk about.
The first major challenge now be say if me and you today very serious, very frank with ourselves.
Yeah.
I could tell you, say the league not easy to market because anything Nigeria, even like Nigerian league now, let me stay with the Nigerian league. As some people they work, make them carry on. Now so some, just like you know those daughter of Scafer where they say we no go chop, we no go drink until we keep on. Some people did like that for this league.
Yeah.
Say this league go, we no go sleep, we no go wake, we must destroy them. Apart from that, you know, now why I say it's very difficult to market for match day 1 this season alone. Before you know it, somebody don't like say Rangers players, they don't hold them on stage for Katsina. Say they don't want to beat them, they don't want to kill them. Now the person, which picture next person bring? Picture of the match between Kano Pillars and Aqua United last season. Now he input. So this kind of thing, when you come and like when I know for this our journalist business, bad news it trends faster.
Pass good news. Yeah.
So these little things make them very difficult to market the league. So now the first challenge when Owumi go gas call in other club owners. He been there part of them for the past 3 years. Say, my people, we did together in any kind of weather. This thing, we gonna try for our respective leagues, for our respective clubs, for everywhere we on a day, from Nnewi to Katsina to Makurdi to Ibadan. We gonna do well to say anything we go bring bad name to this league. We gonna stop her. We gonna not allow him happen. If good thing. So the little positive we did when we feel the hammer on, we go to project them. We go project them so that we go feel carry and go Mr. See something don't happen for the league now. NGK Uzo, you maybe go World Cup, maybe go Chan.
You don't play for Rangers now.
Come back. In they play for Rangers now. Everybody see plenty people wake up watch out for stadium. So now this kind of positives now it will make it work easy. So but the greatest problem when you get now I don't talk. It's not easy to market this league because people they will be saying day and night now how they go just spoil this league so that they will talk say as Nadia no JJ. Now why you know they work well.
That very, very, very strong point to me, because I mean, I want to tell an investor to put in money
when the house they divided
everything where you hear, almost everything where you hear,
negative. Now the problem with that, and I feel say one of the things that we saying if you do, now to make sure say it creates good image around the league.
Okay.
See, no matter how people want to spoil you, if you get good image yourself, if you create good image for yourself, last like will speak for you. Now, when they talk about one story where somebody go bring out now, say they fight for that Katsina match between Rangers. Meanwhile, you go bring out Kano Pillars and Aqua United picture of last season. Now, if your league they speak for itself, when we say they bring out reports every now and then, you go counter that one with waiting you
with
get
facts.
With facts. You understand? So for me, I feel say in as much as waiting say talk, say yes, not true. Say some people go want make it a spoil, but you will be say get the league yourself. Now you go they push out the narrative where you want make the people them they see, because if you know they push out that narrative, others go to help you push out the narrative where you no one see.
Narrative.
So you will get the league, push out the narrative where we say you want make your own corporate world, make them see. So if they push that one out, people go to sit down and they go feel even buy into okay, maybe now your detractors or maybe now people who don't like you and then they want scatter the league. So another thing I feel say will be one of the problems for them for this season. Now the fact say traveling for players, traveling for clubs, and making sure say money day for them. So 2022 now here we say governments go they prepare for election.
Yeah, because 2023 in election.
So whether money go they come for these players as and when due. Now that thing, Sunshine Stars matter. We never hear the end of that matter. Their goalkeeper we been keep for them the last time. He come out on social media, they tear say he go scatter, say they never pay him.
In fact, last season we see this team where their former player block their boss. They got the enter bike. They go their match venue.
For Heartland.
I think the Heartland have been who with our the former player block their boss. They go enter bike. They go their match venue.
So all these things now, some of the challenges that we say these clubs them go face. You've been talking about saying they don't sign some southwest, some southeast clubs. Don't they sign deals with beer companies and all those kind of things? So the truth be say those money, I hope say they go fit put them inside the club.
Yeah, okay.
Because last that money now the club that they use and sponsor, not be for personal gain. So the challenges where me go get now how to make sure say these clubs that they pay their players regularly, and they know they cost wahala with these their players. And if the players want travel, hope say they arrange their flights well or their travel plans well. Nobody want to say we see last season we say Wiki Tourists get issue with traveling. Their boss born Plateau United, the same thing. Robbers attack them. All these little things are now some of the things they bring negatives for the league. Yeah. So if Owumi go fit try to make sure say in call in chairman together, we be the shareholders for the league, tell them say okay guys, we need to solve this matter. This kind of thing not supposed to happen for 21st century for inside the league where we say your players go to travel, they go see they attack them. You guys get security, all those things, put them in place. Also player salary. If you guys attach this player, if you're a government club, if you want to attach them to civil service payroll, fantastic, do them like that. And if you be private individual, tell your players say okay now this amount I go to pay you and I go pay you like this when you will tell them when you go pay and how you go take pay them so that the players they no go there for inside darkness about their pay. If all these things they feel sort them out, I feel say we go feel move forward for this league.
some of the limitations we feel affect Davidson Owumi and in plans for the Nigerian Professional Football League. I mean, in credentials, they speak for itself. You don't hear them before. Even as a footballer, Imbi don't become highest goal scorer for the league way back in the days in the 80s. And as an administrator himself, Imbi don't also they involved in the running of the league, even though say that time they call them the Nigerian Professional Football League. And of course, he don't they involved in the running of Rangers and Warri Wolves, as we don't tell you over and over again. So now on that note, we're gonna hope say we wish Davidson Owumi a very, very, very beautiful reign as the CEO of the league management company. We're in charge for the running of the Nigeria Professional Football League. And of course, we hope say all of us will go support. I hope say we're not gonna write better story for the league.
No, better story. I work with that too.
Only better story.
Fisa don't write anything bad about the league.
Only better story.
Fisa don't write anything bad.
Now he will say, Fisayo Dairo, I do solemnly swear to write only good news for the league.
You know, say, now one of the first things when Unokairabo make some of us understand with that.
Yes.
Say, this league, if on a spoiler, if on a report bad things, nobody will report the good things. Okay, for instance, someone like me say, at all, and they chop inside this league.
Talk am again. No, remove the at all.
Last week,
yes.
I thought say
they chop inside. He said no. Remove the at all. Say somebody like me.
I
they chop inside this league.
Chopping.
Yes, I'm a chopping. I continue beside.
So you know, if I mean, the first thing, not only me, a lot of us, when they make us understand, say, these European leagues when they shout like this, they also get negatives. But most times, they project those positives over those negatives. Because now how you talk to strangers, say your house B, that's so you go help you career. Now that is interesting that they tell them about Katsina and Midlands. One guy, then they call out New Adams. They get posted for in Twitter the same picture of Aqua Pillars.
And in the Ghana, Ghana in there.
This na person will be saying, you know, go lie report and report one player score a trick for Nigeria League. So now the way you talk about your own family for a stranger, that's why you go carry on. So now, so somebody like me like on a talk, I don't get option. Now this league now we own.
Now our own. I go send you my account number, Sha.
Yes.
Now our own. This league now our own. So any money when they say, I go to send you my account number.
Fisayo, thank you very much. Anytime we will call you like this, they answer us despite your very busy schedule.
He's a very busy man.
They travel east west. Fisayo now first get accreditation for Nations Cup.
Can you imagine?
First get accreditation.
Fisayo, if I come Cameroon, now your hotel now I go sleep. Because I say you don't book down.
Fisayo, we come Nations Cup.
Exactly.
We go. No worry, you will host us in Cameroon.
Yeah, exactly.
Host us.
Big man.
To me, thank you very much once
always
again.
A pleasure, sir.
Thank you very much.
Always.
This one, MPFL Tatafo, and of course, Fisayo Gode, very, very, very regular, as well as so many other stakeholders for this season of MPFL Tatafo. Any gist, correct gist, no be the one where they talk, say somebody say correct gist where you won't hear about MPFL. If no be MPFL Tatafo, you know if it be like MPFL Tatafo. Thank you.
Football Republic.